Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be learning how to add or connect to a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. So the best thing to do here is to come over straight to your network, and you can see this Bluetooth sign. So I'm clicking here, and the next thing to do is to tap on more Bluetooth settings. So I'm tapping on more Bluetooth settings. So the next thing to do is to click on add device here. So I'm going to click on add device. Then I'm going to tap on Bluetooth here. Then this is the device I want to connect to. I'm going to tap on this. I think if you're connecting, so as you can see, I've added this and the device is connected. And I'm going to click on done. You can see I'm connected to this device here. Like and subscribe to my video. Thank you.